Hey guys, Aaron here again with another fun and exciting chainsaw safety experiment. In a previous video, we tested out some chainsaw chaps to see how much protection they would give your legs against a gas-powered chainsaw. We've included a link to that video in the description below, so check it out. After watching our previous video, one of our subscribers, William Dills, made the comment that chainsaw chaps do not work when you're using an electric chainsaw. Anyways, we're back here at the same site. We brought back the same chaps, and today we're gonna test out his theory, and we're gonna take an electric chainsaw, both battery powered and plug-in, and put them to the test against these chaps. After doing some investigating, we found that several big brand manufacturers of chaps warn directly in their safety material and on the website that chaps are not 100% effective against most corded electric chainsaws and only effective against some battery powered electric chainsaws. They claim this is due to the constant torque and continuous power supply. So the fibers within the chaps will not jam inside the sprocket and the saw will continue running. First, we're gonna put the battery powered chainsaw to the test. We have a 40-volt battery powered, fully charged, ready to go. Okay, we're here with our 40-volt electric chainsaw. This is the first one we tested, and you can see here, it chomped into these chaps and really did a number on the fibers, pulled out a massive amount, and it has efficiently and effectively stalled out this engine. So we can no longer use this. Oh, it tries. You can see it kind of moves a little bit, but it's well stalled and it's very effective in stopping this battery-powered chainsaw. Okay, so let's just see what happens to the log underneath. As you can see here, a little nick on the outside of the inside of the chap, but I don't see any damage done to the log. So, in this experiment, it's worked excellent. It's protected the leg. But most of the warnings from the big manufacturers say that chaps are ineffective against corded saws. The reason for that is they have a continuous flow of electricity and they have more power. So, we're gonna take this corded saw and put it to the test next. So as you can see, this will eventually stall, but it takes a lot more than it did on the previous battery powered chainsaw. So this basically sucked the whole chap and spun it around, and eventually there was enough fiber in the spindle to stall it out. But what is impressive is that once we peel back this chap and look at the log, there's no visible damage or cuts to the log itself. So what that tells us is, although it took a lot to eventually stall this corded chainsaw, these chaps still provide a fair amount of protection, which is very impressive. Once again, thank you so much for tuning in. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button beneath. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, hit subscribe. Also, if you have any ideas or suggestions for experiments you'd like to see in the future, let us know in the comments and we'd love to do them. Well, last time I ended up cleaning the fibers out of the chainsaw about 4 times, so I think this week I'm going to leave it up to the producers. Time for a beer.